After the proper visibility study has been carried out on SLB Farm site, farm clearance was done to prepare the site for the real deal, after which procurement for materials were done and transported to the farm by our able men of the logistics department. Then what else than to commence what God gave us the gift of knowing how to do best, the main phase of the project. It started with foundation laying, followed duly by full block works. Subsequently, the erection of poles commenced and flooring phase started. All other finishing works were done, then the roofing stage came in. The penthouse was roofed, and hence the project was beautifully completed with the installation of our poultry cages for the comfortability of the birds. Where else do you want to go for your project if not Survivor Poultry Farm Services?